Now we will start distributing awards. I would like our Sanaullah Madni to please present these awards. First of all, to the winners of essay writing. First prize goes to Ejaz Ahmad of 3rd standard. Second prize goes to Zaid of same 3rd standard. Third prize goes to Ali Aftab of 2nd standard. Then to the best Tahfiz students, I would like our honorable guest Shamim Riazi to present the gifts to the best Tahfiz students. From the 1st standard, Abdul Samad bin Abdullah. From 2nd standard, Yaqub Mehdi. From 3rd class, Muhammad Saad. Then I request our director to present these gifts. The best cooperation awards to our dear parents. From nursery, parent of Mehak. Please come to the dais. Parent of Mehak. From junior KG, parent of Abdul Aziz. Next, from senior KG, parent of Tabrez Salamat. From 1st standard, parent of Suleiman. Please come to the dais. From 2nd standard, parent of Yaqub Mehdi. Please fast. From 3rd standard, parent of Muhammad Saad. Moving to the next awards. Awards to our Arabic teachers, English teachers, office staff and non-teaching staff. I would like them all to come to the dais and collect their awards. And I like the lady staff to send some girls to collect awards on behalf of them. All the staff, please come to the dais. All the teaching and non-teaching staff is requested to come to the dais, please. Best male Tahfiz teacher, Abdul Rahman. I would like our Sheikh Sanaullah Madni to present gift. Next, most responsible teacher, Sheikh Ilyas. Be there, Sheikh, be there, please be there. The next, most mingling character award, Ataullah Sheikh. Then the next one, most disciplined teacher award, Irfan Quraishi. Then the best Arabic language teacher, Abdul Shakur. Most excited and enthusiastic teacher award, Yusuf. I would like the lady staff to send some girls on behalf of them. Best female Tahfiz teacher award, Asma Baji. Best artist in TLM preparation, Salma Madam. Then moving to the next, English teachers. Most involved teacher with students, myself, Muhammad Rafi. Best in Explanation Award, Nasir Sheikh. Then again I would like the lady teacher to send some students behalf of them. Best handwriting practice teacher, Shakira. Then best to handle the class, Sister Bibi Mariam. Very good in dealing the slow learners, Hasina sister. Best Telugu teacher, Sister Tara. Best supporting teacher, Sister Aisha. Most involved in handling KG students, Sister Farhana. Then to our office staff, I would like our AO sir to please come to the dais. I welcome him. Please come to the dais to collect the gift. Please. Then to Abdul Shakur. Sorry. Abdul Ghafoor. Sheikh Jilan. Sheikh Abdullah. Sheikh Sabzawali. To the non-teaching staff, our driver, Pirawali, our warden sir, Sanaullah, our helper, Munirs, then best caretakers who will handle our students. I would like our ladies staff to send someone on behalf of them to collect the awards. Please, girls, come to the dais to collect the awards for best caretakers.
Assalamu alaikum. Sorry, I couldn't understand what our coordinator was saying. That now I have realized he was saying about tomorrow's gift. कल का गिफ्ट आज ही दे दो, मतलब बच्चों के लिए. कल का गिफ्ट ये है कि कल बच्चों को छुट्टी है इंशाल्लाह. सब बच्चे इंशाल्लाह एक छोटा सा तोहफा है. कल छुट्टी मनाकर इंशाल्लाह परसों से इंशाल्लाह एनुअल एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन 3 वीक चलेंगे. उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह बच्चों का एग्ज़ाम रहेगा, फाइनल एग्ज़ाम. उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह तकरीबन 36 डेज हॉलीडेज रहेंगे, समर हॉलीडेज. जज़ाकल्लाह. अब आपका बहुत वक्त लगा है इधर. जज़ाकल्लाह, बहुत शुक्रिया अपना शेख सनाउल्लाह साहब का और शमीम रियाज साहब का. और इस वक्त में हमारे पूरी स्टाफ को मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह शुक्रिया गुजारता हूँ इंशाल्लाह. एंड वर्ड ऑफ थैंक्स नेक्स्ट.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I thank Allah the Almighty for making this event a grand success, and I even thank our chief guest Sheikh Sanaullah Madni, Speaker Peace TV Urdu, RF Mumbai, and our honorable guest Sheikh Shamim Riazi and other guests. I thank all the participants who have presented their talents through their performances, and I even thank all our teachers who have made us explore ourselves, and all the technical team who have made this event enlightening. And last but not the least, the dear audience who have spent their precious time with us, we hope that you have enjoyed this program. Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsan jaza. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Subhanallah bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.